Hey there, Snapchat users. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of clearing conversations data in Snapchat. If you want to declutter your conversations and remove chat history, this full guide will show you how. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on your account picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, you'll see a gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the settings options until you find Clear Conversations. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to clear your conversations data. To proceed with clearing the chat history, tap on Confirm. By clearing your conversations data, you can declutter your chat history and start fresh with a clean slate. It's important to note that clearing conversations data will remove all chat history, so make sure you have any important messages saved elsewhere before proceeding. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.